Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think there's a very good chance that this move down that we're currently seeing is going to make a higher low, and I still think it's very, very likely that it is going to go up to complete this wave C pattern, probably eventually go up and take out these highs. So keeping that in mind as we go down to the weekly and beyond, I still think that on the weekly that this first push up is a 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C definitely looks like a running flat. If that's the true, then that means that this is a 1. That means that this is a wave 2. And it still means to me that eventually it is going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this is 5 ways up right here. I still think it looks like a 1. I still think this is like a leading diagonal wave A. It still looks to me like a wave B. Kind of still looks to me like this is most likely a wave C, which at this point I still am very bearish on the daily time frame and under. I still think it needs to go down to a lower Fibonacci level before it actually does possibly end the correction, ending a wave 2, and continue the uptrend for a wave 3. Now, with this information in mind, I'm definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames, thinking that we are in a wave 2. What happens if this just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, and I'm looking for shorts on shorter time frames, and I'm wrong about my Elliot wave count? If anything, I'm probably just going to make more money. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have a Fibonacci bounce right here, but we don't have a break of structure. We definitely don't have a higher low. Looking at correlated dollar pairs, most of the other dollar pairs still look like they have quite a bit of downside potential. So I think that this move up is likely to make a lower high, and I think this is going to break out of this 50% and go down to at least a 61.8 and maybe even lower than that. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down. This move up right here I am looking at as a possible correction. So I'm looking at my Fibonacci retracement levels. I'm looking for it to respect the fib level, looking for it to make a big engulfing move to the downside. If I see that, then that is exactly what I want to see for my next entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. It doesn't have to happen at the 38. It could really happen at any one of these Fibonacci levels. But when it does happen, when I see a Fibonacci bounce, and I see that engulfing move down, I will definitely continue to look for shorts on these shorter time frames, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.